Hi creative friends, it's Sonia from Sustain My Craft Habit. With so many of us home these days, it's the perfect time to do some super simple crafts. Welcome back to our channel. For those of you that don't know, we love to paint on rocks. So we thought it'd be a great time to make these simple fruit rocks with cute little sayings that we can scatter around the neighborhood for our neighbors to discover. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need some stones, a pencil, and some paint pens. To start, use a pencil to draw the shape of the fruit onto the rocks. The pencil lines will be covered by your marker pens afterwards, so it doesn't have to be anything perfect. We love to paint rocks, and we have tons of other rock painting videos on our channel as well as on our blog. So take a look at those for some more fun rock painting ideas. For the plum rock, take a purple paint pen and fill in the circle. Next, fill in the small circles of the grape rock. This is sped up quite a bit, so it doesn't go that quick. Just take your time and enjoy. Paint the stem of the grapes in brown and the foliage in green. Next, move on to the pear and color that shape in a darker green. Finish the rest of the stems and foliage of the fruit with the same brown and green colors. Now take a white paint pen and add some highlights to your painted fruits. Add an outline in black around the painted fruit. And then lastly, draw some cute little faces onto the rocks. This was by far my favorite part of the painting project. Add some pink cheeks to each of the faces, as well as a couple of dots inside some of the eyes for highlights. Add some cute phrases to the rocks. We added "Grateful for you" on the grapes, "Have a plum day" on the plum rock, and "You're perfect" on the pear rock. We hope you found this video to be fruitful. For more nature-inspired DIYs and crafts, visit sustainmycrafthabit.com and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a plum day. Found it to be fruitful.